So today we will gonna discuss about chapter 2 of the lesson for Python programming language, which is all about pretty basics techniques or the on how you start coding using Python. So I am now using the Visual Studio Code, which is for me is the easiest application that you can use to program Python. So I am now gonna start with the comment on how you comment something on Python. So what you will gonna do is do a hashtag, then after a hashtag you can now do everything or comment everything you want. So example is this is a sample comment, but how can you comment larger? How about long, example a paragraph? So this is what you will do. You will gonna have this tree on top and have this tree on bottom. So I am now posting something like this is an example of, let's say, long comment. There you go. And when next thing we're gonna discuss is about the variables. So we are declaring like at least 5 variables. Let's say num1 is equal to, let's say, 5 is the integer. Num2 is equal to, let's say, 7. Num3 is equal to, let's say, 2. Num4 is equal to 10, and num5 is equal to, let's say, 1.5. 1.5 is an example of float. When you see a decimal, it could be a double or a float. So how about we declare a string? So let's say my string is equal to let's say Noel. Noel with the double quotation mark. My string Noel, and my string 1 is equal to hello world. Then my string 3 is equal to, let's say, the universe. Okay, now how can we print these things? The declarations of the integers, the float, and the string. So we will gonna have to type print, open and close parentheses, then a quotation mark. Hello world. And print my string 1. My string 1 is equal to hello world 2, and we also print hello world. So when we run it, we expect to print two hello worlds. Let's see. There you go. Two hello worlds. And then let's say you want to print two declarations um, in one variable. So print my string one plus my string one, and we're gonna use comma my string one and my string my string. So let's see. Hello world Noel, and maybe we have to make something like this comma because for better declarations. Okay, my string, we do have a plus. There you go. Hello world Noel. And then we're gonna talk about how to print the what we declare about the integers. So print num1. It will print 5 because num1 is equal to 5. How about some arithmetic operations like multiplication, division, subtraction, and addition? You have to type print what do we like to add. Example is num1 plus num1 plus num2. Num1 plus num2 is, we expect to have an outcome of 12. Let's see if 12 will print. So 12 is printed. What if we want to subtract? Example is print num4 minus num3. Num4 is equal to 10 and num3 is equal to 2. So 10 minus 2, we expect to have an outcome of 8. Let's see. 8 was printed on this screen. So next, print num4 divided by num5. Num4 10 was divided by 1.5. So let's see. 6.67. Next, print num3 times num5. Num3 is equal to 2 and num5 is equal to 1.5. So what will be the answer? Answer is 3. So that's all for today. Thank you.